recording. I can cut this out. Alright guys, hey, welcome to today's video. We have a couple things that we want to do today, but I'm not sure if I'm going to record everything. But today's main video is we're going to be working on our stock intake box. Luckily, I went with our Mishimoto cold air intake. Pretty excited to install that. Have you ever installed a... I've never done it on this car. So, alright, so what we're going to start off with first is we're going to use our Phillip head to remove our sensor here. We got one bolt right here in the front of the box, one bolt back here behind it, one bolt right here on this little square thingy. Then I'll get to removing the hoses, which is one right here, one right there, and then this little clamp, and then this whole part should be off. So, just gonna fast forward through that. Dude. Alright guys, so I think we removed everything that we think we needed. Everything should be able to come out now. So, let's try it. Okay. Okay. That was easy. Oh. we got the intake part off. The big one. You can see how dirty it was in here. I'll remove the filter later so you guys can see like how dirty it actually is in there. But at least we got this dingus out of the way. So I had to go in through that big box, through here, but then it had this hose out here, then it had this little thing down here, and then it had to turn. That is very ineffective. Here we go. So luckily for them, we have a nice like little Mishimoto penguin air freshener.
I think it sticks onto your windshield or wherever you want. It has a...
Oh, even better. I'm gonna hang it on the outside. So I already know what this is. So we have clamps. Cool enough, we have a little like carb compliant little badge, which is pretty neat though. We have new screws that I believe is gonna be for a little sensor, probably.
New air filter.
Yes, sir. Piece de resistance.
Looks so nice.
We'll put this back in the box. We have a new Mishimoto hose, which I believe it's for that. It's like the replacement right here.
Ah, yes.
What do we have here? Oh, this is gonna be our housing for where our sensor goes. I'll open this up like soon enough. And then right here is our big intake box.
The big block. This big
you?
block. That's
So our air filter is gonna go in here. I'm super excited to install this because it looks so sick. Alright, now that we're in the light, we're gonna compare the differences between our stock intake box and our Mishimoto one. So the first one, Avi, is like I already said before, our hole right here is now gone, so we could get more direct airflow to our intake. We have like all these ridges, which if you can see inside, you can see like all the lines right here, so that disrupts our airflow, versus on this one it's completely smooth. And third of all, we don't have this or this, so it's just intake, sensor, into the engine.
Which is more efficient.
Really simplifies everything. I believe our opening is still the same size, but instead of going through one filter, we have our whole intake cone. And then we have our like little, I don't know what this is called, but I know it's like to smooth out airflow. You see these lines right here?
Oh yeah. So it doesn't just.
And then still keep them. So that's nice. So yeah, if you're the kind of people who buys like a new TV or something and leave the plastic film on, you should stop watching this video. Because look at this. Oh,
It's so nice.
don't touch it, it's brand new.
I just wanted to feel it was more metal than plastic.
My God. But yeah, I think we're done. I don't know if you can really hear it because it's kind of boxed in. But we'll try. I know what you did, bro. Calm down. Alright, turn it off. Oh! Alright. I think we're done with that. Let's go get started with the rest of our maintenance stuff.